Okay, dear customers and subscribers and visitors of my channel, what should be your reaction when you first encounter these pop-ups from the website equallyelect2.com? equallyelect2.com. It says it wants to show notifications, supposedly to show some Live Africa Cup of Nations 2018 championship. Now, point number one, these pop-ups do not appear without a reason. It's not that you made your own decision to visit this website named equallyelect2.com, but most likely your browser redirected you to this web page as a result of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. Unfortunately, the intentions of these pop-ups are very malicious. They aim to make you click on the Allow button in order to hijack your browser even more dramatically. This means that you will start randomly receiving a lot of intrusive web push notifications all the time, and you will be very much distracted by such redirections. So, of course, it is very dangerous to click on the Allow button, and we recommend you not to agree with such misleading proposals by these pop-ups. If you have done that by mistake, your browser is now hijacked. Now watch carefully as I explain how to get this issue fixed in Google Chrome. Go to the browser menu, select Settings, scroll down to the Advanced area, choose Site Settings and Notifications. Locate this dangerous resource here and choose to remove it. Apart of that, I recommend scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which is downloadable through the website combocleaner.com. Use this download Combo Cleaner button, and keep in mind that Combo Cleaner is a shareware, and you will notice that it's a Black Friday offer today and there is a 30% discount. So you might download Combo Cleaner using this green download Combo Cleaner button, and the website again is combocleaner.com. After you download and install the program, start it from the launchpad. You'll notice the trial version first of all, but in my case it's a premium version that comes with the antivirus. When you are in the dashboard, click on Start Combo Scan Now button. That will initiate the scanning procedure. Some threads may be found, some threads may be not found at all, depending on the safety of your Mac. However, it is always a good idea to double check. Manually fixing your browser will help, as I have explained above. However, Combo Cleaner is another excellent resource that will help you to get your Mac fixed in an automatic manner. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.